Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to plan a drive in Waze. So Waze's plan a drive feature lets you schedule a trip in advance and receive a reminder about when you should leave. So actually guys, first you will need to open Waze on your smartphone and then just tap the search icon or the search bar that's located at the bottom of your phone's screen. So here you will need to search for your destination. So for example, you'll go with the recent ones here and select the correct destination from the results. So then just tap plan a drive or the option to schedule the trip. So actually on my iOS device I don't have that option. So for you, you will need just to go here on the avoid tab and then you will find the plan a drive. Alright, so then just select it or just select an option that says schedule the trip, right? So then choose the date and time when you need to arrive and review the estimated departure time and route. And then review or confirm the planned drive, and Waze will save the trip and can provide a reminder when it's time to leave. So you can return to the plan drive section in Waze to view upcoming trips and make changes or remove a schedule or scheduled drive. Also guys, you can find it on the menu here at the top left. As you can see, we have plan a drive here, and then just go ahead and tap on the drive that you want, right? Or go with connect calendar, so you can give the access first, just like that, while you're using the app, and then give full access to it, and then just turn on the notifications, right? So we have notifications here. Go with announce notifications, turn them on. Also the notification grouping, go with automatic. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.